How to merge two documents in Google Docs. If you have two separate Google Docs files that you want to combine into one document, this guide will show you how to do it step by step. First, open your Google Drive. Now click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Manage Apps. Now select Connect More Apps. In the search box, type Merge and press Search. Find the app called Merge Google Documents. Click on the Install button. Then press Continue and allow the required permissions. Once the installation is complete, press OK and close the windows. Now head back to your Google Drive. Find the first document you want to merge. Click on the three dots next to it. Select Open With and choose Merge Google Documents. Now scroll down and click Select from Google Drive. Choose the first document and press Select. Repeat the same process for the second document. Once both documents are selected, scroll down and click Merge Documents. After a few seconds, the merged document will be created automatically and saved in your Google Drive. You can then open it and view your combined document. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips like this.